I've been looking at the possibility of adding some air source heat pump energy to reduce our gas central heating usage. It's probably not possible to switch completely without drastically more insulation on the house, so this seems to be a good first step. I thought having a standard hot water pipe system fixed underneath the floorboards would be feasible, but there's not a lot of space, and doing the work would be pretty horrible. So Judith suggested having a hot air blower into the space below the floor, PIR foam insulating it from the ground underneath, with vents into the skirting boards to allow hot air into the rest of the house. But how much heat would be lost? We can find the conductivity of the Millstone Grit series beneath our house, but what temperature gradient to use to calculate the heat flow? The only way to find out is using a finite element model. As it turns out, the heat capacity and density of the ground are at least as important as the conductivity, and I can now use Blender to render a video of what's happening.